Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you the technique how to answer. We know that we have a to the power of 3 plus b to the power of 3 equal to a plus b, and we have a square minus ab plus b square. So we will apply this formula in here. So you got about sine s square to the power of 3, and we have cosine s square to the power of 3. So we will use this way to apply this one, and you will get about sine s square plus cosine s square, and we have sine s to the power of 4 minus sine s square cosine s square plus cosine s to the power of 4. So we know that this one equals to number 1, so we can eliminate. Next, we can add 2 sine s square cosine s square. That means we need to minus 2 sine s square cosine s square. So we put cosine s to the power of 4 go next to it in here. So for this one, we can change about sine s square plus cosine s square to the power of 2, and this one we can change into number 1, and this is number 1, negative number 2, negative number 1, you got about negative number 3. Next, we put about 3 over 4 multiplied with number 4, and we have sine 2s equal to 2 sine s cosine s. But now if we put the square in the both sides, you will got about 4 sine s square cosine s square. And now this one we change to sine 2s square. Next, we divide both sides on numerator and denominator with cosine 2s square. So this one you got about 1 over cosine 2s square. This one you got about 1 over cosine 2s square. Sine 2s square divided cosine 2s square, you got about tan 2s square. We have 1 over cosine 2s square. You got about tan 2s square plus 1, and 1 over cosine 2s square. We got about secant of 2s square. We will apply two formula in here. This one minus 3 over 4, you got about 1 over 4. Later that we multiply with number 4 on numerator and denominator. So this one you got about 4. This one you got about number 1. And now we need to use about integration by substitution. So we put about u equal to tan 2s, du equal to 2 secant of 2s square ds. Because we don't have number 2 in here, so we divide both sides with number 2. So this one you got about u square. This one you got about du over 2. So 4 divided by 2 you got about number 2. And now we can get the final answer of this one. The integral of du over 4 plus u square, you got about 2 multiplied with 1 over 2. We have r tan of u over 2 plus c. This one we can simplify. And now about u, that's about tan 2s. And that's the final answer.